Science is now saying what I've been saying for 30 years is coming around now, that there's a new science of how cells work. This is where I'm going to explain how the biology actually works. We'll get to the secret of life. So it's very similar to this. It's a machine. Just as the gears move, connect, turn, make an action, so do the proteins inside the cell. There are 150,000 different proteins that provide both for our structure and our behavior. So 150,000 different shaped proteins. Inside the cell, they're just like a clock with all the proteins engaging like gears. This picture is going to show 3 different examples of proteins. These are molecules blown up very large. And the question is, what makes each protein a different shape? There's a backbone inside each protein, a backbone. And just like a backbone gives you your shape, or you can change your shape, so does a protein. All proteins share the same characteristics. Talk about one protein, I'm talking about all proteins. All proteins have a backbone made out of linked units, just like the vertebrae. The backbone pieces are called amino acids. There are 20 different shaped amino acids. What makes each protein different is the length of the chain and the sequence of the different amino acids. The DNA, the gene, is the information of which amino acid comes after the other amino acid. But this is not the best model because all the beads have the same shape. So I'm going to use 3 different shaped pipes, a straight pipe, one with a 90-degree bend, and one with a 45-degree bend. That's just 3 out of how many? They're just like the beads, they plug into each other. And these are bonds, and in the real chemical name, they're called peptide bonds. So I will assemble this one protein, and now you can see that the sequence gives a rigid backbone. And one quick question. If I take this apart and put it back together again in a different sequence, will I get the same shape? No. So good, because that means what's the point is that every protein has a unique sequence. So how does it work? Let's go to this picture. Can you in your mind see them moving? Okay, now replace the gears with protein. Now in your mind, can you imagine when this protein moves, it moves this protein, and then it moves this protein. And this is a combination of a protein and a metal machine. Now take away the metal parts, protein machine. Now there are different groups of proteins. When they move, they make different functions. And the proteins are called pathways.